How to become a top 1% copywriter? Go learn from the top 1% copywriters. That's how you do it. Okay. You study from the legends, study from the people who have sold hundreds of millions, study the people who have sold and built billion-dollar businesses as copywriters. That is the best way if you want to become a top 1% copywriter. Go study the best of all time. Go look at Gary Halbert's work. Go look at David Ogilvy's work. Go look at Joseph Sugarman, Gary Bencivigo, John Carlton, John Caples, Claude Hopkins. Go look at all these guys' stuff from the legends from times past, study their copywriting, write it out by hand, look at it every day, and look at patterns they use, okay? And then go learn from modern copywriters. This is the thing. Let me ask you, why do you want to become a top 1% copywriter? Because if you want to get really good, and you should focus on becoming excellent, go do what I just said. But do you need to? Here's a question. Do you need to become a top 1% copywriter to make 10K a month? Absolutely not. That's not true at all, right? I'm not a top 1% copywriter. I'm not an A-list copywriter, and you're not going to find me on Forbes top 100 copywriters 2026 list. You're not, and I'm not, and I don't care. Because the thing is you don't actually need to become a top 1% copywriter to make a full-time income as a freelance copywriter. If you want to make 5, 10, 15K per month, all you got to do is commit to the craft, pick one specialty, and get good enough in a few weeks, and you can start landing clients. You don't have to be the best of the best to make this as a full-time income. You just got to be good enough. You just got to be decent. Become a B copywriter, and you can make 10K a month, right? Go study the craft, go specialize, go find rich people, and you're going to make more money. I see way too many great copywriters who are broke, and it's simply because they literally keep sticking around for business owners who aren't making money, and they wonder why they're not able to make more money, right? I feel bad sometimes thinking, man, these guys are writing better copy than me. Why are they not making more money? You know why? It's because I figured out how to find people who have money and how to get my foot in the door with them, and then how to keep them around, right? What I'm really good at is getting good enough, finding the people who have the money, knowing how to get in front of them, and knowing how to make sure they don't get rid of me when I get my foot in the door with them. Over deliver, help them out, serve them, give value. Okay. You figure out how to do that in any business, you're going to win. You're not going to have a problem. So it's good that you have an ambition to become a top 1% copywriter. Go for it. Become a student of the craft. The better you are, the easier it's going to be to land clients. But you don't have to be the top A+ copywriter to be successful with this, right? You just got to get good.